As I look over here, notice the chimney. What I want you to notice is this. Remember what we talk about. Tell people what you see and what you don't see. Most inspectors make their biggest mistakes in telling people what they don't see. What do you not see there? I can't look down those clay flue tiles and tell you whether they're cracked, deteriorated, or damaged. If they are, that fireplace is unsafe to burn. But it's unsafe for me to do that. So what I'm going to do in my report is to say, steep roof, which is the reason I can't look down there, flue tiles not visible. As the home inspector now doing a visible inspection, a visual inspection, I'm going to now be off the hook if something was wrong with those tiles. Had I not said that, or included it in my report, I could be held accountable for that because the customer assumes that I did that. They assume I did everything unless I tell them differently. So again, good inspectors say, here's what I saw, here's what I didn't see. So don't get lazy because that's usually the reason why people get a complaint is because they were just lazy and didn't put that down in the report. Chimneys, vents, and flues are the common method to get exhaust products out of the home. Combustion appliances will exhaust their gases through these openings. Chimneys and flues are vertical. Vents are horizontal. The combination of a vent and flue on a furnace or water heater is called a vent connector. Combining two appliances together in the piping system is called common venting. The condition of these pipes and openings is critical to whatever fuel they are exhausting. In most instances, the type of fuel exhausted will dictate what type of material that is to be used. Whether it be a fire or the reburn of exhaust products, chimneys, flues, and vents are the quickest way to cause great harm to the occupants of the home. Home inspectors must recognize these components as very important and learn the different materials and methods of installation. It is common to find unapproved materials and homeowner installations. It's just as common to see damage or blockage in these openings. There will be many times when an inspector is unable to see the condition of a chimney or a flue's interior. In those situations, they must be sure to document what they didn't see and a legitimate reason why they didn't. Throughout this module, you'll learn about chimneys, flues, vents, and how they should be inspected. Begin by reading and understanding each learning objective. Then review each key term. If you don't know what any term means, you need to go to the appendix and read the definition. At the end of this module, you will be tested on how well you grasp these concepts and recognize these terms.